girly and my dry skin girly. If you are not a dry skin girl, get out of here. Now, I know many of you are obsessed with hyaluronic acid for hydration, lactic acid for exfoliation, and also dehydrating effects. But what if I tell you there's something, there's a product, there's an ingredient that is much more hydrating and moisturizing than your normal hyaluronic acid? Glycerin. I don't know if you don't know this, and you guys are sleeping on glycerin. I got this for just 500 naira. And if I tell you how hydrating and moisturizing this is, you regret that you have been sleeping on this. This is very, 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 very hydrating, moisturizing to give you that glow. I know you have seen so many girls, all these ladies, you see that they are glowing. You be like, "Ah, what are they using? What are they, apart from the tretinoin and the azelaic acid and this is what they're using, but they're not telling me. I'm here to tell you, and it's very, very affordable. Imagine this 500 naira product giving you that glow, giving you that hydrating effect that you will not even get when you are using hyaluronic acid. Very, very affordable. Now, this glycerin is an emulsion. This glycerin, it helps to pull out water from your skin deepest layer. This one will go deeper into your skin. Not like the hyaluronic acid that will just sit on your skin. This one will enter, will open your skin, will open it wide, and enter inside the deepest layer to go and give you that hydration. You can see how important this is. And that's why I said it's the secret to the glass skin, the glass look that you see. Yes, this is the secret that I'm not telling you, and I'm here to tell you to better listen. But let me tell you how to use this. You can either use this alone, or you can decide to mix it into your cream or lotion. Please, this is not umbo shaking. This is not whitening or lightening or brightening. This is just for hydration. Please, glycerin is just for hydration. Now, if you want to use this alone, apply on dark skin. That's when you just finish bathing and your body still wet. You don't clean your body with your towel at all. You take this and apply it. Now, why are you applying this on wet skin or dark skin? It's because the water would support it and make it penetrate deeper into your skin. That is why it's advisable when you're using any hydrating products, you use on wet skin so that the water will carry them and enter inside your skin to go deeper. That's why you see you come and tell you that don't use active on dark skin. That's why I'm always saying don't use retinol on dark skin. It's because water will help the product penetrate deeper into your skin. But for me, to make it easier for me, I mix it inside my ceramide lotion, my face mask ceramide lotion to give it that hydration. Now this will bring water to the skin. We'll add it to the water in your skin and bring it out. While ceramide will now help you to lock the door. So now imagine using both glycerin and ceramide together, the baddest combo. Take it from me. I will not come here to preach. I will not come here to preach about something I'm not using or something I've not used. I'll tell you. I've used this. I've been using this since when I started my skincare. Like glycerin must be part of my skincare product that I'm restocking. And very affordable, just 500 ml. So here is it. Go and buy it and use it. You will love your skin. This one is not the type that it gave me irritation, it made my face red, it made my body this one does. That's why I said this one does not have any brightening, lightening, umbo shaking or anything. It's for hydration. Like if you want that deep, that you want your body, the third day you bathe, your body still drawing like purple. This is it. You want to do, this is it. You want people to be asking, what are you using for your body? You are shining. This is it. So drop a thank you because I deserve a thank you. Drop a thank you in the comment section if you are going to try this.